Alright, so I ordered the Nakto electric bike online and received this. It looks good, except there's one problem. I just finished watching a YouTube video of a female assembling the foldable Nakto e-bike, and she said lift this bar, which I can't because it is welded to the rest of the e-bike. So I'm going to try to unscrew this thing and then turn it around, because this is supposed to latch here. Let's see if it works. After turning this thing, it doesn't seem it's able to be moved anyway because of the latch on the bottom. So I'm going to just try to drill it to free it up. Stay tuned. Alright, so I was able to take the top off. The spring came out, and so I'm going to see if I can move that latch now. Still is crooked. That crookedness was how I got it. Alright, so I was able to switch this thing from this side to this side, using a C-clamp to straighten out this bar, and it seems to be working. Going to see if I can screw it onto this side and then hit that latch right here to close it up. So I drilled a hole. Not showing up clearly. I drilled a hole so I can knock down that latch, which is it coming through here. And I put like a makeshift screw, although I can't put the clip, so I'll figure it out. Alright, so I finally put the screw on, along with some washers and a nut to have that parallel or perpendicular hold. Right, that's one, and then two. This bolt goes through this piece here, so it's being held there, so that's secure. And then there's this hold. So now I would feel super comfortable riding on New York streets.